Now it is working, right? Fine. Each question will be of 30 seconds. Okay? And rapid fire round, it will be 1 minute will be given to each team. I'll tell the rules then that time only. Yeah, so round 1, which is algebra round and contains MCQs, so there is no passing of the questions, and I would begin from the right hand side of me. So are you ready, students? The question is, yeah, the first question. Yeah. The condition, yeah, first question please. The condition for which zeros of polynomial team Bhaskaracharya, zeros of polynomial px equal to ax square plus bx plus c are reciprocal of each other is, the options are b equals to c, a equals to b, c equals to a equal to b equal to c.
Option third, C is equals to A.
C equals to A, sir. The next. C equals to A or A equals to C is the right answer. Please give plus 10 marks to this team. And Bhaskaracharya opens with 10. Right. The next question goes to Ramanujam. The time will begin when I finish of reading the last option. Then the time 30 seconds will begin. So you also and madam, you can watch. The second question goes to Ramanujam team. Ramanujam, are you ready? Yes. The question is, the graph of the polynomial function x square plus 1 will lie in, and the options are first quadrant alone, third quadrant, first and second quadrant, third and fourth quadrant.
First and second quadrant.
First and second quadrant, x square plus 1 graph will lie in first and second quadrant. Can we have the answer please? The answer is correct answer, plus 10 to Ramanujan team also. X square plus 1, it looks like U-shaped parabola, right? The next question goes to team Shakuntala. Team Shakuntala, are you ready? Sir, can we have the question please? How many solutions does the equation y equal to 0 and y equal to minus 5 have? Options please, sir. One solution, two solutions, infinite solution, no solution. Shakuntala. How many solutions?
Option 4, no solution.
Option 4, no solution. Let's see the answer. The answer is quite right. Shakuntala gets plus 10. Congratulations. And let's move ahead towards Aryabhatta. Aryabhatta, are you ready?
Yes.
Sir, the question please. Question 4 to Aryabhatta. If minus 5 is a root of the quadratic equation 2x square plus bx minus 15 equals 0, and the quadratic square plus x plus k equal to 0 has equal roots, what will be the value of k? And the options are k equals to 1, k equals to 7 by 3, k equals to 8 by 3, k equals to 7 by 4. The time begins now. Two equations have equal roots, and the one equation has minus 5 is a root of the first equation. Value of k is to be obtained.
7 by 4. Option 4.
Option 4, k equals to 7 by 4. Sir, answer please. 7 by 4 is the right answer. Congratulations, team Aryabhatta, and all the 4 teams have grabbed quickly and got and opened their account. Congratulations to all the teams. Round 2. And this round is based on geometry. This round is based on geometry, and this also contains MC, and MCQ, so it will not be passed to the further teams. And here also no negative marking in case of correct answer +10. But I will move and I will begin with the next team. Beginning first round I started with team Bhaskaracharya, and second round I will begin with which team? Ramanujam. Are you ready? Now, let's see the question. Ramanujam, for you, a polynomial x square plus 3x plus 2 will have a graph similar to, looks like alphabet C, alphabet U, inverted U, or a pair of lines. Time begins now. Polynomial x square plus 3x plus 2 will have a graph similar to which of the following? Alphabet C, alphabet U, inverted U, or pair of lines. X square plus 3x plus 2. 5, 4, 3.
Option B, alphabet U.
Option B, alphabet U. Can we have the answer, please? Alphabet U is the right answer. X square plus 3x plus 2 has x square multiplier positive. It must be, looks like alphabet U. Nice. +10 to Ramanujan. Scorers, please note. And let's move towards, I will move in the clockwise direction, so I'll move towards team Shakuntala. And the next question of geometry round 2 goes to Shakuntala team. Are you ready? Sir, can we have the question, please? Angles that have a common side and a common vertex on a line are classified as complementary angles, vertically opposite angles, supplementary angles, adjacent angles. Time begins now.
Option D, adjacent angles.
Option D, adjacent angles. The answer is right, adjacent angles. +10 marks to Shakuntala team also. Let's keep clapping, you audience. Please keep clapping. Let's motivate them. I think till now the 100% questions have been answered. Very nice. The competition is very nice among all. Let's see how the next question. Yes. A line segment is extended from only one end point. The other point remains the same. It is called as intersecting line, plane line, ray.
Option D, ray.
Option D, ray. Sir, answer please. Answer is right. +10 again to Aryabhatta. So now let us see the last question of this geometry round, and that goes to team Bhaskaracharya. Bhaskaracharya, are you ready? Yeah. The next question, please, sir. Diagonals of a polygon perpendicular to each other. Diagonals of a polygon perpendicular to each other, but don't direct. Generally is called as rectangle, rhombus, kite, cyclic quadrilateral. You can start.
Option 3, kite.
Option C, kite. Let's see the answer. Kite. Sir, slide please. Let's understand, because we don't want to. Diagonals. Students, you also can counter argument. You also please participate in the discussion. I hope that the question should be solved soon after I speak. It should be, you also should start solving it, and in case still anything is there, you can raise hand, you can participate in the discussion. Diagonals of a polygon perpendicular to each other but don't bisect generally is called as. But in rhombus also they are perpendicular, no? Right. But what if kite the adjacent sides all are equal? That may be a case with kite also. Right?
In kite only one diagonal is bisected, but not the other. In rhombus, both are.
Kite only one diagonal is bisected or not the other. I think he's right. Correct.
And it is perpendicular to.
Right, as it was given that it was perpendicular to in kite, it happens. Right, next question please. So here we conclude round 2, and let's have the scores please before we move towards the next round. Can we have the scores please? Yeah, can you sir zoom it? Can it be zoomed? Sir, first round. Yeah, nice. First round. Yeah. Yeah, sir can announce.
Hello, hello.
Round 3, not round 3, round 2 it is. Geometry is round 2.
After completing 2 rounds, each team have scored 20 marks. So they have given the answers of all the questions correctly.
This is the cumulative
So
score you
give them a
can
big
see
round of applause,
after 2
children.
rounds. Right. Aryabhatta, Bhaskaracharya, Shakuntala, Ramanujam, all score that is 20 marks. Congratulations to all. Claps for all. Thank you, ma'am. And now let's move towards arithmetic, which is the third round of this quiz. Yeah. Next is arithmetics round. Yes. Can we have the next? Hello. Am I audible? Yeah. So let's move towards the next round, and that is arithmetic. Sir, can we have the next question, please? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
To all? Nice. Thank you. And the next question, 1 minute. The next question goes to, I think, Shakuntala. So Shakuntala team should be ready, right? Shakuntala team. Hello. 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 Yeah. Shakuntala team, are you ready? Hello. Hello. Yeah. Shakuntala, are you ready? Yeah. Can we have the next question for from arithmetic round? Yeah. If 3 raised to power x minus 1 plus 3 raised to power x plus 1 equal to 270, what is the value of x? And the options are 1, 0, 4 or 2. And your time begins now.
Option C, 4.
Option C, 4. Can we have the answer? Option C, 4 is the right answer. Please clap. Option C, 4 is the right answer. Shakuntala team gets plus 10 marks. But how you got so quickly? Can you come to the previous slide? Means how you got the solution? I am surprised. 270. You can speak on mic. I just want to know how you got. Have you also got the answer so quickly? Please explain.
270 is equal to 243 plus 27, which is 3 to the power 5 plus 3 cube.
Okay, so you compared.
Yeah.
Okay.
So x equals 4.
Okay. Quick, very fast in your calculation. A split of 270 was very fast. Congratulations and claps for them. And let's move towards Aryabhatta and let's see the next question, please, sir. Aryabhatta team. The sum of two numbers is 103 and their difference is 67. The numbers are 70 and 33, 103, 19 and 84, 18 and 85. Time begins now. Option D, 18 and 85. Sir, can you show the answer, please? Answer is right, 18 and 85. Congratulations and plus 10 marks to Aryabhatta team. Very quick. And can you also elaborate that how you got your answer? You can speak. Huh?
We took two numbers A and B and made equation A plus B equal to 103, A minus B equal to 67. Added them and we got the value.
But I must appreciate that you are very quick in solving these two equations and almost totally you have solved and within seconds you have got the answer. So clap, huge claps for them. So you need to know the concept and you need to grab the question within a fraction of second soon after reading the first letter of the question and then you start solving in your mind. That is the quiz all about. Now let's move towards the next. Bhaskaracharya team and question 3 of arithmetic round goes to Bhaskaracharya team. Sir, question please. Which is the smallest number which can be expressed as the sum of the cubes of two positive integers? And that is the concept of Ramanujam number. And the options are 1829, 1729, 2917, 1719.
Second option, 1729.
1729. Sir, answer please. 1729 is the right answer, also known as Ramanujan number, and it's a very popular number. Very nice, Team Bhaskaracharya. And the fourth question of arithmetic round goes to Team Ramanujam. Check your mic, and I hope you are ready. Sir, can we have the question? Ramanujam, for you it is. The total age of A, B and C is 93 years. 10 years ago, the ratio of their ages was 2:3:4. Then the present age of C is, and options are 18, 28, 48, 38. And your time begins now. ABC, total age 93 years. The ratio of their ages 10 years ago is given. You have to get the present age of C. You need to be quick. It's non-passing. No issue, you can speak.
Option D, 38.
Option D, 38. Time also finished. Option D, 38 is the right answer. Can you also please throw some light how you got? We need to know that, and is there any alternate method which is not there in my mind? Yeah. Siddhant, yes.
Sir, so 10 years ago, let the ages be A plus 10, B plus 10 and C plus 10. So minus 10. So A plus B plus C plus minus 30. I mean 10 years ago, let the ages be X, Y and Z. So X plus Y plus Z plus 30 is equal to 93.
Okay.
So X plus Y plus Z would be 63.
Okay.
And we know that the ratio of ages is 2:3:4.
Right.
So let the common ratio be X. So we get common ratio be X2. So we get 9x2 is equal to 63. So X2 is 7. So we get that Z is equal to 28. So 10 years hence, his age would be 38.
Right. But I should congratulate and appreciate that you are so fast in your calculation. For a normal student, I think this question needs 5 minutes or 2-3 minutes, but you completed this entire calculation in 30 seconds. So that's very much appreciable. Congratulations, Team Ramanujam and all your teammates. Very nice. Let's move towards the next fifth question. Arithmetics round contains total 8 questions, means one question and again one question. So fifth question goes to, we'll move in this direction, no issue. We'll move in this direction. Shakuntala. We'll move in clockwise manner, right? The next round which I will begin with Aryabhatta team. So this is still the same round, arithmetics round. And after Ramanujam, the question comes to Shakuntala. Are you ready, Shakuntala? Shakuntala, next question is for you. Question number 5 of arithmetics round. Sir, question please. Question is, if 5a, b plus 5, c plus 10, 25 are in arithmetic progression, then the value of a plus b minus 2c is, and the options are 5, 0, 10, minus 10, and your time begins now. Yes.
Option B 0.
Option B 0. Option B 0 is the right answer. Sir, please let's ask the same question from them also. How you got your answer? Please tell. Yeah, Shubhra. Yes. No issue. You can speak. You can. Okay. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. Claps for Shubhra and her team. Shakuntala is performing quite perfect, quite nice, and plus 10 to team Shakuntala. And the next question, question number 6 of arithmetic round. Arifata, are you ready? Yes, sir. Please display the question. Question is, Hari is twice as old as Gauri, who is 3 years older than Rahul. If Hari's age is 5 times Rahul's age, how old is Gauri? And the options are 2 years, 4 years, 5 years, 8 years. Your time begins now. Yes. Team Aryabhatta.
Option C, 5 years.
Option C is ready with the answer, and they are saying 5 years. And still some 10 seconds are left. So let's see the answer. 5 years is the right answer. Claps for them. Claps for Aryabhatta. And can you also elaborate that how you got your solution? Now,
We take Hari's, Gauri's, and then Rahul's age by
switch on, switch on.
So if we take Hari's, Gauri's, and Rahul's age by like variables like H, G, and R, then we get 3 linear equations in like 2 different variables. So like we have H equal to 2G, G is equal to R plus 3, and H equal to 5R. Like that, then we can see that the Rahul's age which would be
So quick. After I finished the question, she got the answer, and all teammates got the answer in almost 20 seconds. Claps, huge claps for them. And it is really very much appreciable. And the next question, which is question number 7, and that goes to team BHASKARACHARYA. BHASKARACHARYA, the question is on your screen. If a number x is 20% less than that of y, how much percent is y more than x? And the options are 25%, 12%, 50%, 10%. Your time begins now.
Option A, 25%.
Option A, 25%. Let's see the answer. And the answer is quite perfect. 25%. Within seconds, you've got the answer. Can you please tell that how you got the answer? Yeah, please.
If X is 100% and then, Y is 100%, then X would be 80%.
Okay.
And 100% is 125% of 80.
Okay.
Therefore, the answer is 25%.
100% is
125% of 80.
125% of 80.
Therefore, Y would be 25% greater than X.
Okay.
Then the answer would be 25%.
Answer would be 25%. Let's clap very loudly for BHASKARACHARYA and for Manveer and his team, that you are so quick and so perfect. Very nice. And probably the last round goes to the team Ramanujam. I hope, check your mic. Ramanujam, are you ready? Can we begin? Sir, display the question please. And the question is, find the value of this calculation. 45 divided by 9 multiplied with 3 plus 15 minus 6. And the options are 27, 24, 34, 37. Time begins now.
B24.
B24. So plus 10 marks. I hope the answer is quite perfect. Plus 10 marks for giving the right answer. And after 8 questions of the last round, round 3, arithmetics round, I don't remember that we have deducted anyone's marks, but even then, let's get the verification from the scorer side. Sir, yeah, Deshmukh sir. Can we have the scores, please? Can you display the scores, please?
This is not okay. So after 4th round, each team scored 40 marks each. Again, there is a tie between all the 4 teams, and really they are doing fantastic.
Forty, 40. The competition is very, very tough. No issue. Let's move ahead towards the next round. And the next question I should begin with Team Aryabhatta. Team Aryabhatta, you should be ready. Round number 4. Yes. Statistics and probability. And probably this round contains direct questions and it doesn't contain any MCQ. In this, please note, all the teams, please note that this round is a passing round. And in case one team is not able to answer the question will be passed on the next team, on the next team, and so on. And anytime the other than the main team answers the question, they'll get plus 5, not plus 10. Right? There is no. They'll get the same time. No, they have to answer actually quickly. The first team will get 30 seconds. When the question is passed, they have to answer quickly, within seconds, immediately. Right? And the final authority lies with me to give the opportunity to the next team. Are you ready, Aryabhatta? Next question, please, sir. The mean of a data is 1635. What is the mean of the new data if each variate is divided by 5? Time begins now. Answer is 327. Sir, almost 11 seconds they have taken. 327 is the right answer. Claps for them and please award plus 10 marks to Team Aryabhatta. 327 is the right answer. Very nice. Who got the answer? All. Very nice. Very nice. Let's see. Let's move towards. I will move always in the clockwise direction. So clockwise means next number comes of Bhaskaracharya. Question number 2 is for you. Sir, the question is, what is the probability of getting 53 Sundays in a leap year? 53 Sundays. Time begins now. 53 Sundays in a leap year. Probability of getting 53 Sundays in a leap year. Leap year. 10, 9, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time over. Time over, Bhaskaracharya. Yes, the next, Ramanujam. Question is passed to Ramanujam. Answer it.
Zero.
Never ever we will have 53 Sundays, you mean to say, in a leap year? No. The question is passed to the next Shakuntala. 2 by 7. Can you please explain how you got? Sir, can we have the answer, please? 2 by 7 is the right answer. And claps for them. They got plus 10. Sorry, I'm sorry. Plus 5 because they answered a past question. Plus 5 to them. And they have got an edge. Yeah. Right. 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 We can find the probability. Right. The next question, please, and that goes to Team Ramanujam. Yes. Ramanujam, it is for you. In a urn, there are 10 red balls, 15 blue balls, and 5 yellow balls. What is the probability of getting blue and red balls? Blue and red balls.
5/6.
5/6. 1 minute. Yeah. I feel there is an ambiguity in this question. Yeah. Can you elaborate?
Sir, there are 10 red balls and 15 blue balls and 5 yellow balls.
Hmm.
It is asking what is the probability of getting blue and red balls.
Hmm.
So the sum of red and blue balls is 25 and the total number of balls is 30.
Hmm.
So the probability of getting both blue and red balls is 25/30 is equal to 5.
How much? Both blue and red, how much?
25/30.
How 25?
So 10 plus 15 because there are
25
10.
and there are total balls, that is
30.
30.
So 25/30 is 5/6.
25/30 is
5/6.
5/6. Right, all correct. I think plus 10 can be avoided except one thing, because I could feel that in case it is one ball is picked, that should be there, right? And in place of and, in case it should be or, then the question would be more clear. And but for you, I think we can avoid plus 10. Can we? Scorer, please. Plus 10. Plus 10. The answer given in printed is, let us see. Sir, can you display the answer? That is wrong actually. Please correct the answer. Answer, no issue. We will correct it afterwards. But the answer is right, 5/6. And for discussion of everyone, can you display the question again, please, sir? The question should contain that one ball is picked, that should be there, and in place of and, that should be or actually. So technically, I feel some issue is there with this question, right? Can we delete this question, because technically it is incorrect, right? Technically it is incorrect because in maths one word matters. Yeah. So we will replace this question. I search one alternate question and I will ask directly from the statistics. So we drop this question. I request the scorers to please note, because I feel it contains ambiguity and not the perfect to get the answer 5/6. We drop this question. Ramanujam, for you, we drop this question and it will be asked new question from you. Let's not to waste the time, move ahead towards Shakuntala. Shakuntala, the next question for you. Scorers, please note, the cell remains blank for Ramanujam. Yeah, fourth question. The mean, Shakuntala, for you, the mean of 50 observations is 56. If 59 is misread as 95, what is the correct mean? And your time begins now. The mean of 50 observations is 56. 59 is misread as 95. What is the correct mean? And it is a passing round. All the teams should be active. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Can you speak loudly? 56.72. Can you speak again? Yeah. 56.72. It doesn't match with the answer I have. I feel this question is passed, and it is passed to team Aryabhatta. Aryabhatta, answer it quickly. You can speak loudly. No, you can speak in fractions, decimals. You answered, I accepted, and I still pass this question towards the next team, which is your chance is over. The next team, yeah, answer it immediately. Time over for you also, and Ramanujam. You can take this question. Opportunity of getting +5.
55.2.
55.2. It matches with the answer I have. Let's see, 50.28. I feel the digits are matching. Please award +5 to Ramanujan team. And good job, Shakuntala, but you made some error, calculation error. It was not matching. Thank you, and +5 to team Ramanujam. So आपको अपने अकाउंट का नहीं मिला, कम से कम +5 दूसरे से तो आपने निकाल लिया. Right? Can we have the scores? But are we ready with the alternate question? Yeah. Ramanujam, your one question still is left. Okay, some more questions are remaining? Okay, right. Some other alternate question. Yeah, so the round is still not finished. The next question goes to Team Aryabhatta, right? It was originally asked from Shakuntala, now Team Aryabhatta. Are you ready? Question number 5 from Team Aryabhatta. Yes, sir, display the question. Numbers between 2 to 100 are written on cards, and a card is selected at random. What is the probability of getting either a prime number less than 10 or multiple of 10? And your time begins now. 2 to 100 written on cards, and a card is selected at random. What is the probability of getting either a prime number less than 10 or multiple of 10? (14 by 99). 14 by 99. (14 by 99). Can you elaborate how you got your answer? Hmm. 14 divided by 99 is the right answer. The answer I have is wrong. Actually, they are right. Please give plus. Yeah.
Between is written there.
Yeah.
We have to leave 2 and 100.
So yeah. Can someone give mic to madam? Yeah. No. Still, the discussion is on.
Children,
Yeah.
here English plays a very important role because our medium of instruction is English, right? Here between is given between 2 to 100. So between 2 and 100 means we have to leave 2 and 100, isn't it? So between, the word between is given, no? So
answer is wrong, as madam says. Okay.
Yeah.
And I also accepted your answer, but thank you, madam, for correcting me. 0 for your answer, because you have taken. Yes, it's a pass.
12 upon
It's a pass, and madam is right. I feel the logic is by madam is quite right. Yes.
12 upon 97.
12 upon 97. I would still request madam to verify this answer. The discussion I'm enjoying. I'm enjoying. Can someone give the mic to them? The other side, Sarita ma'am is saying, sir, the next class we are getting late. Yeah, yeah. But I think he should be heard. Can someone has the mic? Can someone has the mic?
Hello.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Yeah. Please.
If between is there, between 2 and 100, the typing error 2 has come. That's why.
Right. Right. You want to say the same thing?
Yeah, same.
Right.
So ma'am saying that typing error.
So they want the mark.
Children, between when between comes and should come in between.
Yes,
And
right.
you are telling 2 because it is there.
It
That means
contains
from-
this too contains ambiguity, and I, as a quiz master, I would not go any gray area. I would prefer to drop this question actually. Can we have the answer on the screen, please? 12 by 97. If I exclude the boundary elements, if I exclude, the answer would be this. But at the same time, it should contain between 2 and 100. 200 gives some ambiguity to this question, which may take you to the other answer, which is 14 by 99. It contains ambiguity, Sarita madam. This 2 should be dropped, and here we have dropped 2 questions, one for Ramanujam, one for Aryabhatta. Scorers, please note. Quiz organizers, please note. We will take these questions to you again afterwards. Let's not to waste the time, move ahead, and the next question goes to our next team, which is Bhaskaracharya. Bhaskaracharya, are you ready? The question is in front of your screen. A picnic has been planned for the school children. They are asked to give the place of interest, then to decide the place of visit on the basis of their response provided. Which measure of central tendency should be used? Time
Mode.
begins now.
Answer is mode.
Answer is mode. Answer is right. Plus 10 marks to Team Bhaskaracharya, because where to go for picnic was asked, and the opinions must be a natural number, and the highest number of opinions means that place will be visited, and that is nothing but mode. Correct answer, perfect answer. Let's move towards the next question, and that goes to Team Ramanujam. Ramanujam. A street light is to be installed in a street of 50 houses. Which measure of central tendency should be used? Time begins now. Street light is to be installed in a street of 50 houses. Which measure of central tendency should be used?
Medium.
And the answer is median is right answer. Raman is 10 marks. After this was probably the 7th question of the stats and probability round. And the next is 8th and last question of this round, and which goes to the team on the right of Ramanujam, which is Shakuntala. Shakuntalam. Are you ready? Shakuntala ka derivative kya kare bolenge? Yeah, question is there. Praveen sir is very quick. What is the sum of the deviations of the observations from its mean? Yes. Switch on the timer, sir. Sum of the deviations of the observations from its mean. Sum of the deviations of the observations from its mean. Can you speak loudly? 0. The answer is 0, but you are not 0, you are plus 10. You are getting plus 10 after this. So Shakuntala also get plus 10, and this was 8th and the last question. And here ma'am is ready with some alternate questions. Yeah. Right. 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 Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. And scorers, please note. Scorers, please note that still two questions were left because those questions were ambiguous. Please note that two questions I am going to ask, one from Team Shakuntala and the other from Team Aryabhatta, because their earlier questions were ambiguous. First, Team Ramanujam. Are you ready? Yeah. Yeah. No, because it is different. So I'm reading the question and you answer. Okay. The question is two dice are thrown at the same time. Find the probability of getting different number on both dice. This is passing round. Everyone should hear it. Sir, time begins, madam. Time begins now. Two dice are thrown at the same time. Ramanujam has to answer. Two dice. Six is the right answer. Please award plus 10 marks to Ramanujam, and I would like to know how you got the answer.
So totally there are 36 possibilities.
How?
So because the first one has 6 choices and the second one also has 6 choices. So by the multiplication principle, there are 36 possibilities.
Right.
So out of the 36, 6 possibilities have the same number, which are 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, and 6, 6.
Right.
So we get 6 out of
Perfect.
36.
Plus 10. They deserve plus 10. So please, scorers, please award plus 10, and Ramanujam gets plus 10. Now pressure comes on Aryabhatta. Are you ready? I am going to begin the question. Timekeeper is ready? Right. Soon after I finish, the time begins. Yeah. The question is, an integer is chosen between 0 and 100. What is the probability that the number is divisible by 7? Time begins now. Integer is chosen between 0 and 100. The probability that, I'm repeating, integer is chosen between 0 and 100. Find the probability that it is divisible by 7. Divisible by 7. First clap, बाद में बात करेंगे elaboration. First clap that they were so quick. Can you speak very fast that how you got your answer? Plus 10, scorers please note plus 10 to our Aryabhatta.
Here it was given between 0 and 100, so it is 1 to 99. So we'll get 7, 14 till 98, which is 14 multiples of 7. And then from 1 to 99, there are 99 choices. So
what multiples? You counted, or is there any other alternate you used?
like till 7 into
No, you counted, or any other alternate you used?
14 are 98.
Okay, fine. Claps for Aryabhatta and claps for all of them for being so quick. Sir, can we have the scores, please?
Yes.
Our Deshmukh sir is very particular.
After fourth
Is there still a tie or some?
No, there is no tie now.
Okay, tie has broken.
Aryabhatta is scoring 60 marks.
Aryabhatta 60 marks, please clap for them. And
Bhaskaracharya 50 marks.
Bhaskaracharya got 50 marks.
Shakuntala 55 marks.
Shakuntala 55.
Ramanujan 65 marks.
Ramanujam is on 65 marks. So bit ahead, slight difference, and all. There is no tie among any between any two teams. So now the quiz is now getting towards more excitement and more thrill, because the difference between the teams is there, but is not there. So let's see the next round, and the next round is general mathematics round. Yeah. So I should ask the next question from Bhaskaracharya. Yes, and now we'll be quick. Yes. Yeah. Next question, please. Yes. WXYZ is a rhombus whose diagonals intersect at O. The lengths of the diagonals of the rhombus are 16 units and 30 units. of the rhombus? And the options are
17 units is the correct answer.
17 units is the correct answer, is the right answer. Perfect answer, plus 10 to Bhaskaracharya. And they are really so quick. Ramanujam, are you ready for the next question? Sir, Mr. Ramanujam, please. Which one of the following? P equals to root 25, sir. Next timer, you can begin. 25 implies P equal to plus minus 5. B, P equals to root 25 implies implied by P equals to plus minus 5. C, P equals to root 25 implies implied by P equals to minus 5. D, P equals to root 25 implies implied by P equals to 5. Time begins now.
Option D, root 25 is equal to 5.
Option D, root option P equals to 5 is the right answer. Please award plus 10 marks to team Ramanujam. And let's move towards the next question, which is for Shakuntala. Shakuntala team, are you ready? And the next question is for you. Surya started with a triangle ABC and constructed the bisectors of three angles CAB, ABC and BCA. The point where the three angles bisectors meet is called centroid, circumcenter, incenter, orthocenter. Option C, incenter, is the perfect answer. So plus 10 marks to team Shakuntala, and they are wonderful, very nice. The next question of this mathematics round goes to Aryabhatta. Aryabhatta, here the question is: if y minus z equals to 4 and x plus 2z equal to 11, then what is the value of x plus y plus z? 12, 13, 15, 16. Option C, 15 is the right answer. So please award plus 10 marks to team Aryabhatta. You can clap for them. Let's enjoy this thrill. Right. The next question to team Bhaskaracharya. Are you ready? Yeah. Display. Yeah. Which two of the following numbers are co-prime? 28, 35, 42, 45, 60, 72. And the options are 28, 35, 35, 72, 42, 60, 45 and 72. Yeah.
35 and 72.
35 and 72 is the right answer, for a plus 10 for team Bhaskaracharya also. And the next question is still from the same round, and that goes towards team Ramanujam. Team Ramanujam, are you ready? Yes, sir. Question please. Yeah. The areas of two right angled triangles are equal. These two. What is the value of y? And the options are 9, 12, 15 and y equals to 18. Ramanujam. Area of these two triangles are equal. Get the value of y. Option D,
18.
18. Let's check. And option D, 18 is the right answer. Clap for Ramanujam. And they are perfect. So scorers, please note and award plus 10 marks to team Ramanujam. And the next question goes to team Shakuntala. Shakuntala, are you ready? Yeah. And here the question is, sir, display the question please. There are only two numbers that are twice the sum of their individual digits. One of them is 0 and the other number is 20, 18, 22, 24. Time begins now. Option B, 18 is the right answer. Plus 10 to team Shakuntala also, and it was very quick. Let's have the next question for team Aryabhatta. Team Aryabhatta, are you ready with the mic? Yeah. Sir, please display the question. A and B are angles both less than 90 degree. Which Yeah, next line please. Which one of the following is not correct? And the options are: B is the complement of A implied by A plus B equals to 90. B is the complement of A implied by A plus B equals to 180. Option C, B is the complement of A implied by A is the complement of B. Option D, B is the complement of A implies that A is the complement of B. And your time begins now. Arivetta.
Option B. B is the complement of A implied by A plus B equal to 180 is not
correct. Option B is not correct, but you are perfectly all correct. So plus 10 to Arivetta. That rest of all the options were correct, and the wrong one was to be selected, and the wrong one is nothing but the option B, which is saying B is the complement of A implied by A plus B equal to 180. Actually, it should be how much? 90. Complement means their sum should be 90. Right. So this was the last question, and can we have the scores, please? After the completion of general mathematics round.
The scores are Aryabhatta 80, Bhaskaracharya 70, Shakuntala 75, and Ramanujan 85.
Updated? Net is not there. So
offline
Deshmukh sir is telling correct. Yeah, please tell.
So Aryabhatta 80 marks.
Aryabhatta 80 marks. Please clap for them.
70 marks.
Bhaskaracharya 70 marks.
Shakuntala 75 marks.
Shakuntala 75 marks.
And on the top, Ramanujan 85 marks.
So still some gap is there of 5 marks only, I think. Yeah. So the next round is going to be next two still important, very important rounds are remaining, and that is visual round, and here also there is no MCQ, so this round will be pass round, and I should begin with Ramanujam. Ramanujam team, are you ready? Note that there will be 4 questions in this round, 1 question for each team. In case the team is not able to answer, the question will be passed to the next team, because there is no MCQ, it will be passed on the next team. The next team has to answer immediately, and in case of correct answer, they'll get 5 marks, and so on. Right? Any other team answers on past question will get 5 marks. Visual round. Ramanujam, first question goes to you. Are you ready? Sir, can we display the question? Yeah. Identify the personality. Before the timer begins, you answered, and please give plus 10 marks to Ramanujam, because he is quite right. Dr. Satyendranath Bose, FRS, Fellow of Royal Society. He was an Indian mathematician and physicist, specialized in theoretical physics, and best known for his work on quantum mechanics around 1920s. Satyendranath Bose. So, a proud Indian mathematician and physicist. Claps for Ramanujam. We are also proud of you to perform so well. Thank you. And the next question goes the next team, which is team Shakuntala. Sir, can you display the question? Identify this personality. Shakuntala. Team Shakuntala, identify this personality. You have 10, 12, 11. After that, this question. I know you are Shakuntala. Still, you have 5, 4, 3. Answer: Shakuntala. Shakuntala Devi ji was not so slim, I believe. I'm sorry if I'm not, but she is a famous personality, Indian mathematician, and it is a past round. You have to, the next team has to answer immediately. Nina Gupta is the right answer, and Aryabhatta get